This is a presentation on the Jamaican-born American artist Nari Ward. He is a modern sculpture and performance artist. Many of his sculptures are themed around and are made of abandoned or lost objects he finds. The meanings and stories behind lost objects are a major theme of his art. He also incorporates aspects of Jamaican and New York culture, along with tackling various social issues. The two artworks in this slide showcases the usage of abandoned objects. One is a large web of yarn with various objects knotted into it. This installation was made in an abandoned building, and the objects were ones which were found in it. Tying the objects and building together in this way seems to be getting across the idea that the items are directly linked to and a part of the location's identity and history. The other two pictures show the new Colossus, which is a sculpture made out of broken down pieces of wood and furniture shaped to look like a woven fish trap. This type of fish trap would work by leading fish down a funnel so they'd get stuck and wouldn't be able to turn around. This seems to be a metaphor for the forward progression of time, having objects which have already been worn down by time made into a sculpture of an item that only allows the movement forward. Time is similar to a woven trap in that it only allows us to move forward through it. The third artwork serves as a commentary on a Jamaican stereotype. It shows a little room set up like a shop. The sign says Happy Smilers, and there are tropical drink bottles hanging underneath. If you watch a video of the exhibit, you can hear over a speaker there's upbeat Jamaican music playing. These things are referencing that Jamaicans tend to be portrayed as happy-go-lucky and carefree, and the idea that tropical happiness is being commodified. When entering into the room, the music shifts to the sound of rain on a tin roof, and crates and metal appliances are stacked inside, referencing the living conditions and poverty faced by the country. Overall, I feel like Nari Ward makes a great usage of semiotics and form in his sculptures to communicate his ideas. He uses elements of form, such as color, scale, lighting, and even sound to get across the emotions and atmosphere he wants his works to have. And he uses the different levels of meanings for the objects he uses to commentate on various ideas and issues related to them. I also found this artist interesting due to the way he explored the nature of our attachment to objects and how we interact with them. The sentimental or just overall meaning we place onto them, how we link them to memories, how they can serve as remnants of people. It also calls into question what makes an object significant and meaningful to us.